Well, just pulled in here at my buddy Luke's place. Gonna go hunt with him this morning. He says he's got some turkeys. Roosted a couple turkeys last night and made the little drive down here this morning. We're gonna get with him and try to go whoop one this morning. Hopefully get one on film and get him his second bird here in West Virginia. He's coming out the house right now, so we're gonna go up here and talk to him real quick. Well, they already carrying on, aren't they? Man, oh man.
You want me to bring my decoys?
I got a hen with me. I got a Jake in the truck if you want to take it. Don't matter.
We don't have to.
Whatever you want to do. Give us the rundown here. What we're going to do here.
Okay. All right, guys. So it's April 26th. Here on my farm in Lincoln County. Last night I was able to roost a few birds here on the farm. A couple of them pretty far up, but one very close. He's been roosting in the past couple mornings, I believe. He definitely was Monday morning and got on him. He acted a little funny, but we're gonna get in, get a little bit tighter, a little bit quieter. I think we spooked some deer on Monday, so hopefully we can get in there a little earlier. Maybe if we do spook deer, he won't be awake, and we're gonna give it a good shot. I got my buddy Zach here with me. We haven't seen each other in I'd say probably 3 years or so, and we're excited to finally get out in the woods together and do some turkey hunting. We've been talking about it for years, so here it is. It's April 26th. I killed my first turkey 15 years ago today, so hopefully we can repeat the process and get a bird on the ground.
Hope so. We're going to try. It's going to be a good time anyways.
I think we've got good weather too.
I think so too. It's going to be a good day.
That dog?
I think so, yeah. Yeah.
That's a coyote.
Yeah.
He's on that ridge. I'm pretty sure he's on that ridge. He could be down the other side though.
He ain't very far.
No, he's on that ridge. He's right underneath where that daggone turkey is. Probably.
Well, hopefully he moves on here.
Yeah.
He's still got 30 minutes or so before daylight. I don't know how well you can see me, but we got turkeys all over us this morning. All around us. Got a turkey in front of us, probably 150, blowing the woods down. Got a turkey off his left side, probably 80 from us. Has a hen with him. She's super close, so we're going to talk to her and try to pull her in. We're in a really good situation here, so things are looking good. switched like 3 times already, trying to get the right setup on the right bird. We've got turkeys all around us, and they're just, we don't know which one's gonna come. One's got hands. Trying to do the right thing here. I'll just sit right there over your shoulder. No, he's just right around the top of that bowl. About straight across from me right here. Did you get a picture of that turkey in the field up there? Yeah, man, the hen that was roosted right with the hen. It sounded like there was multiple gobblers that come around that hill. 2 or 3 of them, it sounded like. I kind of thought this turkey that was back here was going to go. Yeah, I thought so too, because he was gobbling so good. The turkey over here is ripping it. Like we're in a good spot. We're in the middle of a bunch of turkeys. Just a matter of keep on the break. These ones might be making a move where they shut up. Yeah. There was something right there. I couldn't tell where that turkey was at. Turkey kind of sounds like he's progressing around that hollow too. as you saw, we called them turkeys in. We finally had two break on us. Come down through there right, played through the woods, but they never saw the decoy. She was kind of up on top, and they played around the side of the hill. Come around through there, and I don't think they saw us or anything, but they just came to where they knew that she should be, and they got nervous. We let them walk off. They walked off strutting, started gobbling again. We made a giant move down through this steep hollow. Come around, and we're in this little field now, kind of on the other side of them. They're just right around through here, right around this bowl from us. On the top, gobbling. They answer every call. There's a road that leads over to them, so we're hoping to pull them down that road, and then hopefully they'll see this decoy this time and strut right in. They're all alone. They're ready to do it. Just got to get in the right setup. I think we can kill them. See what they do here. They're answering everything. Another turkey gobbled that way. Well, my GoPro died, so I'm filming on my phone, but we're sneaking out. Turkeys are still gobbling back there. We couldn't get them to break down that little road or into this field at all. They're standing back there in the corner strutting, gobbling. Answer every call, but they won't budge a muscle. And I gotta go to work, so it's unfortunate I gotta go to work because I think we could stay in here and kill them, but that's the way it goes. Luke's gonna take a break from them too. Let them have a couple hours to chill and then try to come back and kill them later on. They're killable, you just gotta get in the right spot with them, so that's the way it goes. It was a good hunt anyway. We called them in that one time. They just never saw us. They just got nervous because they thought they should see that hen and they didn't, so it's just hunting, that's the way it goes. Get them next time, huh?
Next time.